You want to do what?
Let's go live and travel in an RV. I don't like it.
No, I don't like it either.
Okay.
Hello everyone, I'm Tracy.
And I'm Christian.
And we are Tumbleweed RV Life.
We decided to live our dream now and are transitioning from Acreage Life to RV Life. In this video, we're going to explain how we came to the decision to go full-time RV life.
In the meantime, if you're not subscribed yet, please hit the red subscribe button and hit the bell for future notifications on our next videos.
So Tracy and I started tossing around what we wanted to do now that we were empty nesters.
We knew we wanted to travel, and Christian had a job where we drove everywhere in Western Canada for his work for 4 years. Christian worked during the day, and we had off time and enjoyed the places we were visiting. It was great because we were able to take our dogs with us too.
Then I actually came across a YouTube video, and then that led to 2 and 10 videos later about these people that were living the lifestyle. They were living in their RVs and traveling everywhere, and it kind of resonated with what we had just experienced traveling across Western Canada for work. So channels like His and Hers Vlog and Taylor Dasman really inspired us and made us aware that we weren't crazy, that we liked this lifestyle, we liked to travel, and that other people were doing it.
We had a lot of travel history already. We traveled to Cabo quite a bit. I love Cabo, and we adopted a family down there. And now that we have a granddaughter down there, we want to travel more and visit her more.
We like Cabo so much that we actually started looking at buying a place down there, like a condo. What we ended up doing is that we bought some land just north of Todos Santos on the beach road, about less than a mile, half a mile from the beach. So our plan was to maybe build a small house, put in 3 to 5 RV lots, and that was kind of in a time frame of within the next 5 years. The nice part about the lots is that they're surrounded by Mexican wilderness. It's surrounded by a 4,000 acre wilderness reserve. There is nothing out there right now. It's nice and secluded and quiet.
Well, because we've been going to Cabo for years and we started thinking about traveling other places besides Cabo, we started talking about our bucket lists, and I have a few on my bucket list. Would be the Grand Canyon, Yellowstone, Utah, Arizona, and definitely going down the west coast from Canada all the way down to California, all the way down to Baja, southern Baja, and then eventually hit Cabo again.
On my bucket list, I also have the Grand Canyon. I also want to go up to the Yukon and Alaska. Definitely go down the west coast, the Oregon Trail. Also travel across Canada. We've done it before all the way up to Montreal, but we never made it to the Maritimes.
Right.
So we'd love to hit Prince Edward Island, Cape Breton Trail, Gaspé, and Newfoundland. So all these wonderful trips, and of course while we're at it, we're going to visit, we're going to tour everywhere and hopefully hit all the 50 states.
So we've decided to go full-time RV now and not wait 5 years. So are you thinking about going RV life? If you are, type "Go RV Life" in the comments below.
Right now, we'll wait. Just take a second. Join us on our journey as we transition to RV life. We're going to research trucks, RVs, products that are related to RV life. We're going to do all that research and then bring you what we feel, in our opinion, in the end, is some of the better products. And also take you through our decision-making process, how we arrive to select a truck and trailer or fifth wheel or camper.
And we're also going to look at different ways to earn an income remotely.
There's no way that we can go traveling if we're stuck to a 9-to-5 job. Maybe we can inspire you to live the lifestyle of roaming free.
And live your dreams now. Don't wait for the right time. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up. If you dislike the video, hit the thumbs down.
Also, share it with family and friends. Just hit that share button right now. We have a question for you. What is your ideal RV? Click the card up here. Let us know. Check the description below. We have other social sites. You can join us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Feel free to shop Amazon through our link below.
And check out our gear.
Remember to subscribe. You can subscribe just by hitting the little round circle there with our picture on it. And don't forget to hit the bell to be notified when we put out future videos. So until the next time, we'll see you on the next one.